my name is Joanne.
Hi, I'm Gerald, and we live in this house with my son Jude and Rocky, our Maltese.
So a couple of months before we got our keys, I actually went online to research on various websites such as HomeRenoGuru, and we actually shortlisted a couple of designers, and then through a recommendation from a friend, she actually recommended Kevin from All About Designs, and after a couple of meetings, we decided to go ahead with Kevin.
Now when we went to Kevin's showroom, it was almost exactly what we wanted. I just wanted certain elements, maybe up to 70% of his showroom, and some parts of what we wanted. The brief was simple. I wanted to stay in a hotel for the next 5 years.
Because of the extensive planning that Kevin has actually done prior to the start of our renovation, we were quite happy to be hands-off this entire renovation process because we fully trusted Kevin's capabilities to run the project on time and efficiently.
Now we were quite lucky that our bomb shelter is on the right side of the house when we first enter. So we covered the entire bomb shelter completely with carpentry, with large mirrors. I particularly like the recess area where we put our commonly worn shoes, so that it's very easy to slip on and off. Kevin had an interesting recommendation about the sliding door. He added this hinge panel which not only hides the sliding door, but also makes cleaning so much easier.
So the favorite part of my house is actually the kitchen. We actually knocked down 2 walls to create an open concept kitchen. And what I really like about my kitchen is the island, whereby it doubles up as a light cooking area as well as a dining area. So what I actually recommended was a paneling behind the TV, which extends up and across the ceiling to create a very cozy feeling in our living room. This is my walk-in wardrobe. I've always wanted a walk-in wardrobe in my new home, so this is everything I wanted and more. So there's ample space for my clothes and my bags, as well as a working space for me and my husband to work from home, as well as a dressing table where I can do my makeup every morning.
You notice this step is slightly higher. It is done to accommodate the shower step down, as well as the tiled floor trap. We didn't really do much to the kids' room because it would grow with Jude. All we did was to have a feature wall that was painted, and we installed cove lighting so that it would bathe the room in soft, indirect light. My advice to homeowners would be to buy the big ticket items 3 to 4 months before the renovation begins. And it goes without saying that you need to have very good rapport with your ID because you're going to be interacting with him daily for the next few months on the renovation.
So I'll definitely recommend Kevin from All About Designs because I think his workmanship is very good, and I think overall he's done a very good job in project management as well. So yeah, definitely recommend Kevin.
Although I think he will destroy everything.
But it's okay lah, Kevin got 5-year warranty ma.
Oh, that's true. Okay, you can destroy everything. Okay.